Hand wash only dishes are, in my opinion, a real nuisance. And I mean, if you can't make a pan that can handle being in a dishwasher, I don't know what to say. But in either case, when you have pans such as this that apparently can't seem to handle the dishwasher, and on top of it you have really difficult areas like muffin tins, I guess, that get pretty dirty with baked on food and whatnot, I will use this. And I'm sure this is nothing new to anyone who's used one, but what is new and something I started doing was, rather than, getting some warm water over here and putting a little bit of soap on it and then going straight down into here and just turning, rather than doing that, here's what I started doing. Let me put this down. Okay, so again, not a big deal that you have it tilted in the sink. I'm sure everybody does that. Let's get a little soap on this guy. A little soap in here. There we go. Got some more water. Here's the trick. Put it in. Put your palm of your hand on the brush and then push and rotate. It is so much easier, and you'll see that it actually cleans it pretty darn quickly. Get a little squirts there. Let's see what we have. Dump that out. I mean, that's getting pretty clean on just a first pass. When I use my old technique of sitting here and doing this, it would take quite a while. And you can see all you have to do is kind of finish this up, maybe go at an angle, get the sides in here. But the trick, again, is that circular motion. Pop it in, put your palm, oops, let's go up here to one of these. Put your palm down, actually, got to go in the middle one. Oh, I'm trying to hold this camera here. Let's see. Let's go here. Put your palm down, put some nice pressure on there. And just rotate. And it's almost like you're wax on, wax off on the car. And it's a lot less effort than doing this. Just keep doing like this. It's nice and frothy. In there. Let's rinse that one out and see how it did. Let's see what we got here. I would say it's probably going to be 99% clean. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. And maybe you have a little bit on the side here. Take this, line it sideways. And it's going to be pretty easy to get that stuff out there. This pan was sitting for a couple days, and so these are actually, the food's been sitting on here and drying for quite some time, but you can see that's pretty darn good for some quick spins versus the hold and twist method. That's it. I hope this was helpful.